Alright.
I mean, you can't control where they go.
Alright. Hold on, Malachi. Jesse, where do you want us to fly it? Katie said we could film it in the back, in her yard, across the bridge.
It's probably the best bet to go up there because...
Alright, because all the water... Yeah, every time it lands in the water, it flips. Alright, well, we're going to go and talk to the neighbor, too. They've been... Yeah, we can see our neighbor. Malachi, don't fly it here, baby. We're going up to across the bridge. Alright, as soon as you get it fixed, can we run to the Murphy's?
Yeah, I mean, if you need a cigarette now,
No, I got some. I found mine. Wait until we're ready. They've been wanting to visit for days. Show her what you got, buddy. Hold on, let me set it down. Wait. Yeah, they've been, can we please visit the neighbor? Okay, let it down. Ooh.
I'm crying.
How have you been?
Good. How have y'all been?
We've been good.
My roommate moved out.
Is that what that's all about? I was wondering if maybe something had happened to her, but I knew she'd been sick.
Well, she said she's going to assisted living, said she's going to an apartment. I don't know what she's going to do.
Malachi, stop that. You're going to break it, buddy. Letting it fall like that. Hold on, buddy. Hold on, wait. Hang on, we want to talk to the neighbor for a minute, and then we'll go fly. Okay?